Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you step by step how to reset or recover your forgotten Konami account password. First, open your browser and go to the official Konami website. Click on Login. Enter your email and click on Login. Click on Forgot your password. Now, enter the email address linked to your Konami account. Make sure it's the correct one, then click Next. Go to your email inbox. You should receive a password reset link from Konami. Click the link in the email. You'll be taken to a page where you can create a new password. Enter your new password, confirm it, and submit. That's how you reset your Konami password.